Grafting is a horticultural technique that involves joining two different plant parts, known as the scion and the rootstock, to create a new plant with desirable characteristics. The scion is the top part of the plant, which includes the stem, leaves, and buds, while the rootstock is the bottom part, which includes the roots and lower stem. In grafting, the scion and the rootstock are cut in a way that allows them to be joined together. The cambium layers, which are thin green layers just under the bark of the plant, must be aligned to ensure that the two parts will grow together and form a strong union. The purpose of grafting is to create a new plant that combines the desirable traits of the scion with the vigorous root system of the rootstock. This can include traits such as disease resistance, improved growth, better fruit quality, or increased yield. Grafting is a common technique used in fruit tree cultivation, especially for species that are difficult to propagate from seed or cuttings. It can also be used to repair damaged or diseased trees, or to create ornamental plants with unique characteristics. Grafting is a common practice in fruit cultivation that involves joining a scion, a young shoot or bud, from a desired fruit variety onto a rootstock of another fruit tree. Today, we will show you some steps on how to perform grafting on plants. Here are the basic steps for grafting. Choose the scion. The scion is the part of the plant that will produce the fruit. Choose a healthy scion from a mature tree that produces the type of fruit you want to propagate. The rootstock is the plant that will provide the root system for the new plant. Choose a young tree that is disease-free and has a strong root system. Prepare the scion. Cut a healthy shoot from the tree that is about 6 to 8 inches long and has at least 3 buds. Trim off any leaves or side shoots, leaving only the top 2 or 3 leaves. Choose the rootstock. Select a healthy and disease-free plant that has a strong root system and is compatible with the scion. The rootstock should be of a similar age as the scion and should be the same species or a closely related one. Make a clean cut. Using a sharp and sterilized grafting knife or a pruning shear, make a clean and slanting cut at the base of the scion and a matching cut on the rootstock. Join the scion and rootstock. Insert the scion into the cut on the rootstock, ensuring that the cambium layers, the thin green layer just under the bark, of both the scion and rootstock match perfectly. Bind the graft union tightly with grafting tape or plastic wrap or plastic holder as shown above to prevent the scion from moving. Protect the graft. Cover the graft union with grafting wax or a grafting sealant to protect it from drying out or infection. Keep the grafted plant in a warm and humid place until the scion starts to grow. Care for the grafted plant. Once the scion starts to grow, remove the grafting tape or plastic wrap and the wax or sealant. Keep the grafted plant well watered and fertilized, and protect it from pests and diseases. Grafting is best done during the dormant season, which is usually in winter or early spring when the tree are not actively growing. With proper care, a grafted fruit tree can produce high-quality fruit in a few years. Prune it as necessary to encourage healthy growth and fruit production. It may take a few years for the new grafted tree to produce fruit, but with proper care, it should be worth the wait. That's it. Using above steps, we hope you will be able to graft the plant of your choice. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, it means a lot to us. Happy grafting!